How the fuck do you feel?
Hey guys, what's going on? OP crew back here with Big Nate, Nick, D, Jacob, and Tyler. Let's go, baby. Woo!
Yeah.
Hey, Tyler.
Alright. This is only
Yeah.
TDM. Easy dubs.
Alright, I forgot about the pistols only.
No.
What if I
So-
run out of ammo?
Yeah, bro, just say it.
Dang, I about killed a guy with fisticuffs first time.
Hey, I'm choking. No lie.
Alright, let's get this.
Oh my God, he's gonna die! Bro, are they all in their spawn?
Yeah, there's 3 of them in their spawn.
I'm almost out of ammo already.
Yeah, you got scavenger?
Oh, you should've.
Oh my god,
Bro,
they're all
coming
in
in
their
their
spawn.
spawn right now.
Yeah.
Oh my, I tried to get a flank, but I choked it. Choked the flank.
That's normal.
Big Nate!
Bub, look at my pistol.
Oh my God, I just choked kind of UAV. Hey, UAV there. Spawn split?
I'm just not like, I'm trying to like finesse him too much and not like just like spam the trigger like you're supposed to.
Yeah. Well, Big Nate over here shooting like a machine gun with a pistol, so it's fun.
Oh my God.
That's funny.
Bro, get out here, Big Nate. You saw that, didn't you?
Yeah.
This is right in Big Nate's element.
This
That's a
is.
good Nate likes it.
I
Oh.
do, and it's funny. I just did so dirty. I stopped and turned.
I haven't seen anybody in forever.
I'm doing these dirty.
Oh my
Fine.
God. I was,
like,
bro, I was literally in their spawn just sliding around, like, going wild. I'm 12 and 30.
I'm 7-2.
Good cleanup, whoever did that.
That was me.
Someone's running.
Is
freaking
anyone not
turn.
using the Mosin?
I'm not, I'm using
me-
Strife.
me-
I'm using the
Strife.
Mozu and the Strife.
I'm not using the Mozu. I'm using the Strife only.
I'm
I'm using
strifing.
both of them.
I'm strifing as well. I like the Strife.
Me too. I just did a guy
Oh,
dirty,
yeah,
by the way.
The bad thing
I'm
about the,
messing
the
with the
Mozu, I don't have a high enough level to get the instant reload. It takes so long to reload.
Oh, yeah, I have it
Bullet,
maxed out,
two,
so I'm good.
bullet, 3 bullets.
Yeah.
Smack.
Yeah, I'm also maxed
Oh
out
my
on it.
God.
I still am not high enough level to have it unlocked.
How are you maxed out on it, bub?
I got it maxed out first prestige. I love the Mozu.
He used it a lot in the
Really?
house. Remember that?
Oh, I do remember
Dude.
when he did that.
You want me to pull the Mozu? I'll start.
Hey,
talking.
hey, guys. Walk up the steps. You go upstairs. There's like 5 of them right there.
I got dog!
Yeah, that's
upstairs.
I got dog!
Oh my God. Bro, they have the 2 people with dogs. Alright, hey, I got hit by Zero. It messed me up because like my sight.
Doesn't mess the laser sight up?
Hey, let's go, boys. 41-40. Let's get this dub.
41-42, get it right. Oh, the
42,
freaking
42,
dog.
42. Yeah, I'm strifing now. Yeah, me too.
I mean, I'm 10 and 10.
Hey, there's somebody
and 5.
upstairs.
I ain't doing bad with a pistol.
Yeah, neither am I. Only a 2 KD.
Assault pack's down. Come get it.
I lost them. I don't know where they're at. Shit on.
I want up top.
Hostile UAV circle.
Oh, about to run out of ammo.
Hostile System intrusion has been detected.
Oh, nice.
I'm out of ammo.
Is attempting to breach
I'm,
your
I'm
system.
now I'm now punching people.
Enemy dark
He's
detected
up top.
in your AO.
I'm gonna go up there
Enemy
and
hacker is
punch his
attempting
bitch
to breach
ass.
our systems.
What does that dude have? Alex. Yeah. Oh, I got my strike. Got more ammo for it.
I
Going back, are they back up now? Spawn? I thought spawn was in your AO.
No.
Oh my
Dark
god,
come for me.
Zero's so annoying on
Dang, I about got the punch
What
kill.
What did I say? Dart's coming for me?
Oh.
Hey, is Ajax
Look at
allowed in the
that.
pistol only challenge?
Yeah, it's pistol.
No.
It's a
Oh yeah, it is a
pistol!
pistol actually.
Hey, that's dope. Do you just want me not to use a shield?
Close. Make it official.
Oh, I thought I had
Give me a
somebody
second,
there.
boys.
Dang.
Wolf
Yeah, let's
kill.
go. Hey, finish it. Finish it.
Finish it, honey.
Finish it.
Oh, what's up?
Oh, I got big laser. That was stupid.
Dang.
Oh, by 6. Need 4. Not bad.
Hey, UAV up.
UAV above. Commencing surveillance operations.
help.
UAV 50% high.
2 more. Easy win.
Hey, one right there inside the shield. Just get him. Yep.
Let's go, boys.
Let's go! 16 and 9, boys.
Take the win.
2014.
I went 17 and 9.
I
bro.
definitely
Fuck
rushed everybody so hard.
Dang, D.
you, Bruh.
Oh,
Bruh. Hmm.
You get a
Yeah,
permanent.
you have one token.
You get a permanent unlock token at the end of every prestige.
I'll probably do
Should've
the
did
SOG
Maddox,
pin, honestly.
Yeah.
Then you get extra class.
Yeah,
Yeah, and you get another
the SOG's
class.
worth it because it's like high level.
Yeah, it's
It's
52.
52. I know because I was like, when am I gonna get this freaking gun?
D. You didn't have to
Either
do
the
some
SOG or the Maddox. I don't know which one to do. I don't really use the Maddox. I really didn't like it that much, honestly.
Got you, Tyler.
Thanks, bud.
I feel like you all definitely flip spawns by now.
Yeah, probably.
You cannot drop a nuclear right here.
You could.
No.
These dudes are bad. Honestly, hey, could
28
be a
more
decent
kills.
Christmas noobs video, by the way.
Sensor dot out.
Who's
Like,
died?
pop all. Hey, like, I did once. There's one dude on the team that's pretty decent.
I haven't died yet.
I've died once.
I'm about to drop a
Yeah.
nuclear.
Jacob, you got 2 kills, bud.
That's nuclear material.
That's Jacob's nuke.
This is my nuke.
Oh, come on. That was dumb.
Or you know, don't at me. Nuclear time, baby.
Alright, let's get it.
Ruin authorizing care package deployment.
OP Killer drops first ruthless.
D, I need help. I'm out of ammo.
Pick up gun off the ground.
TACOM,
I have a UAV up
on
for you.
station.
Yeah, this dude had an MX now.
Requesting CUAV deployment.
Well,
What
there's
does he
this-
have? Ooh, Maddox. No, I died. I don't care though.
Let's go. I unlocked the camo.
What camera?
Nomad, requesting care care package drop.
The camo for the
Deploy Hellstorm on my grid.
Spitfire.
Oh, okay. Talking about the one you had to like get a 5-piece with or whatever.
I just now saved somebody.
Me.
Says Bub.
Sensor going live.
It's now shot Bub.
Bro. Bro, as a team, they have 6 kills.
7.
Ridiculous. I have 4.
I'm literally
Honestly,
3 and
can't
3,
find
so what's up?
I'm 4 and 1.
I'm 10 and 2.
You have to die.
Have they left? I thought they left the game or.
Yeah, some of them did.
In the turn, sensors are capture your objective.
Dang, I died finally.
Perimeter established.
8 and 1.
D, I don't think that dude touched you right there. I ain't about to lie.
He didn't. It was super dirty. I kind of felt bad.
You asshole.
Hey, Merciless?
Do you about to drop a nuke?
No, I called it. I called it my attack chopper and stuff because I knew I wouldn't be able to. Not unless
Who
you guys like
uses a
didn't kill anyone.
Who
I wouldn't
uses
be
a
able to.
suppressor on their saw?
Be Jacob.
Jacob
I
did
don't-
for a while.
I used to, yeah.
Well, I picked up somebody's saw gun that has a suppressor on it.
Don't try and fucking knife me, bitch.
I don't think Jacob does anymore though.
No, I don't.
Maybe it was one of theirs then. He's
one
shot.
Where they at?
Yeah, are you popping off right now?
I'm not really. I mean, I'm just kind of chilling.
Yeah, I'm 15 and 4.
I'm 8 and 2.
I don't know what I am.
Having a hard time finding these dudes, honestly.
I just died because I was looking behind and it was you guys, not them, and then someone sniped me. I was 12 and 0.
$24 and 2, so not too bad.
Don't get complacent. Finish the mission.
I'm 8 and 2. 9 and 2. I just need to find these dudes. Where they at?
Where are they spawning at, boys?
Oh,
Back there.
that's
Dang.
Well, we spawned the first time. Somebody's stunned back there. Don't want to kill him.
No!
Give me a couple points. I would not mind it too much.
UAV standing by.
That was a nice 3-piece.
Damn.
13 and 3.
19-5.
10 and 3.
Perfect execution. Nice
8
work,
and
guys.
4. What is this garbage?
14 and 2.
28 and 3.
Dang, D.
Bro, one kid on our team had no kills.
Did you get 3
One kid on
piece?
our team had no kills.
Yep.
My 3 piece was nicer.
David's just
3
rocking
piece.
that.
My 4 piece was better.
Bub, turn your phone back on.
It's on.
3 piece tender, taters and gravy.